Hello, and thank you for choosing a Woods portable air conditioner with smart home and Wi-Fi. In this introduction video, we will show you how to download the Woods Connect app and how to connect your app with the portable air conditioner. First, download the Woods Connect app and launch on your smartphone. Before we begin using the app, we must first register an account. Read through our privacy policy and terms and services agreement and tap Agree to continue with the registration. Fill in your email or your telephone number and tap on Get Verification Code. Go to your messages or your email to get your verification code. Now choose a password and then press Done to start using the app. If you've already registered an account and wish to log in, press Log in with existing account and fill in your account information. If you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset by tapping the button on the bottom right corner and enter your cell phone number or your email address. When you've entered your verification code, you can set a new password. Now we will add a device, but before we start, make sure the unit is plugged into a grounded wall socket. Starting from the home screen, tap the plus symbol in the right-hand corner to choose the device you would like to add. Hold the Night Mode Reset Wi-Fi button for a few seconds. Release when you hear the beep. The Wi-Fi light on the device should now blink rapidly. Enter your Wi-Fi details and tap Confirm. The app will now finalize the connection with the device. If the connection fails, follow the steps on the screen. Note that the name and password is case sensitive. Your device is now ready to use. And now, let's go over some of the functions of this portable air conditioner. In Mode, you can choose what mode you'd like the device to be in. For example, choose Cold and what temperature you'd like. Note that you'll adjust the humidity if you choose the mode Dry. In Speed Mode, you can adjust the speed of the fan. Swing will toggle the device to oscillate. Using the timer mode, you can set when the device will turn off. In the top right corner, you'll find the device settings. In Settings, you can change device name and find information on how to connect your device to Google Home and Amazon Alexa services. If you've connected the device to any of these supported third-party products, you can easily control the device using voice commands. Hey Google, turn on Venezia.
Okay, turning Venezia on.
Alexa, set Venezia to 20 degrees.
The AC is set to 20.
With the smart functions, you can control your device automatically according to specified conditions, as well as making schedules for settings and functions. From home screen, tap Smart to access the smart settings. On this screen, you'll see two tabs, Tap to Run and Automation. Tap the plus in the top right-hand corner to add a scenario. In this example, we want to set the device to cool the room to 20 degrees when the room temperature exceeds 25 degrees. We'll start by choosing the condition for the function to start. In this case, we want to read the temperature of the room, so we'll tap when the device status change. Next, we'll choose our device. and then tap Indoor Temp. Now set the temperature to 25 degrees. And then tap the right arrow to start cooling once the room exceeds 25 degrees. If the left arrow was selected, it would trigger the action when the room is under 25 degrees. And the equal sign would trigger it when it's exactly 25 degrees. Now, tap Next to proceed. Now it's time to choose what will happen when the condition is met. Tap Run the device and choose your device. Now tap Set Temp and set it to 20 degrees. Tap Next and save. Next, I'll show you how to create presets to be conveniently accessed from your home screen. In this example, we want to turn on the device, turn on the fan, and set the fan speed to low. We'll start off by adding a new scenario, but this time we'll select Click to execute as our condition. Tap Run the device and choose the device you'd like to make the preset for. Now choose a few options from the list and tap Next. We'll give this the name Light Breeze, making sure that the option Show on Home Page is on and tap Save. If we now navigate back to the home screen, we'll see that the preset is now available. These are just a few ways that the device can be tailored to your needs. Experiment with the options and see what works best for you. Good luck!